To Leighann on our wedding day. Today is the day I have been waiting anxiously for, the day I get to call you my wife. I love you more than words can say, and I cannot wait to see where our amazing journey together will take us. Right now, I am counting down the seconds until I can see you, and we say our vows. I will always be proud of you, and I will always be proud to be your husband. I'll see you soon, Princess. Yours forever, Grant.
Dear Grant, I feel like I've been dreaming about this day since we met. I need someone to pinch me because it's all happening. We're getting married. It's the road we chose, and I wouldn't have it any other way. I love you more than I ever knew I could love, and there isn't a day that goes by but I'm not thankful for you being in my life. You are my soulmate, and I can't wait to be your wife. I love you forever and ever, Leighann.
I'm Leihann's other sister, so I met her the day she was born. And Leighann is just a beautiful and wonderful person, very sincere. She's very happy-go-lucky. And Grant, you are just so blessed to have her. Thank you for taking her off of our hands. But no, I know you guys are going to make a very great couple and have the best adventures of life together.
Today is a celebration of our new beginning. I can't imagine a better partner in life to have. I know that you will always be there for me on my best days and my worst days. You're the cheese to my pepperoni, to have and to hold forever. Love, Grant. Oh. It's perfect.
Thank you. Wow. Don't Grant and Leighann look spectacular today? They look amazing. And you can see it mirrored in each other's eyes since the moment they walked in.
Leighann and I just wanted to say a few words of thank you for everyone to be here tonight. It means so much for us to see all you all here to help us celebrate. We wanted a special thank you to Susan and Tony, Leighann's parents, for helping making this all happen. My mom Karen, my dad Mark. Without you, all of you, we wouldn't be able to make any of this wedding weekend, our honeymoon happen. So, thank you from the both of us, from the bottom of our heart. To everyone else, thank you all for traveling all this way. If you came from across the city, across the state, across the country, thank you for coming. It means so much for us to have you here to celebrate, our new beginning and our life together.
I just want to thank everybody for coming tonight. I'll try to get through this without crying, if I can. I want to thank Leihann's family for putting on a lovely party. I guess I heard last night that it's customary for the best man to welcome the bride to the family, but I'd like to welcome your whole family. And I'm excited just to have an eternity together.
Thank you everyone for being here tonight. It's amazing to see Leighann and Grant be united officially. She met Grant. I've never seen her happier or laughed more than she has my whole life. And it's been amazing to see them get together and complement each other so well and play off each other's personality. It's amazing. Welcome to our family, and I'm so glad Leighann gets to have you and you get to have Leighann. It's amazing. So toast to them. Welcome to our family, and we're so happy to be part of yours. So everybody raise your glass and toast to Leigh-Ann and Grant.
Grant, you may now kiss your bride. And it is my pleasure to introduce to you for the very first time, Grant and Leigh-Ann Redrow.